Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to find trending products for free using Google. I'm going to show you a neat trick that can allow you to find a trending product with high demand, so you can list it on your store, on your Shopify store, or on your e-commerce store in a very short time. So there are very many apps that offers this service for a fee. Some of them are expensive and some of them are cheap. But if you're just starting e-commerce or dropshipping or anything that relates to products, you might not necessarily have the means to raise money to sponsor to do product research. So if you want to do product research and you don't have money, this is a good way to do it. So the first thing you want to do is to think. Usually people buy products when there's an event coming up, or they're going to use the product for something. And usually when there's an event coming up, like a birthday party or a wedding or something, people are emotional, so that makes them to want to buy things on impulse. So how do you find out a product? How do you get to a product that you can use and add to your store, that is a high probability product that has a very good chance of getting a sale, that is built around an upcoming event? So you go to Google and then you type in, let's take Australia for example. You type in upcoming events in Australia. I'm trying to avoid the United States and Canada now for obvious reasons. So we'll scroll down to a website that can give us information about Australia. This website looks like a legit website, australia.com. So we'll just scroll down and see if we can get. Okay, they're showing us a video about Australia, about the culture in Australia. Okay, so we'll scroll down to find an event that we can build a product around. Remember, you have to factor in a number of things, like if the product is an impulse buy, if the product can be an impulse buy, and if the product can be a gift to someone, because usually people order things online when they're looking for something to give as a gift to someone. So we have Seaweek. Okay. So I'm just going to scroll down and look for an event that I think I can find a product for. Okay, this one has horses, so there are many horse related products and it's a very niche event, but I'm not going to go for that. I'm just going to go for something else. Australia Open. This is a good one, but it's just a few days away, so you're not going to get very good shipping. It's not going to get to they're not going to be able to get the product before the event starts, so which is going to be bad for business if you're not able to ship the product when they need it. So beer festival, this doesn't look like a good one. Okay, I like this Sydney Lunar Festival. I like the aesthetic around it, so let's check it out. Okay, so the date is 21st January to 5th February. So I think we can I think this is possible. I think this looks like a good product. The Year of the Rabbit. Okay, already we have something we have a rabbit, so we can search for. We know that the festival is about rabbits, and then it's a lunar festival, so moon and rabbit. Okay, very colorful. Okay, it involves families and it involves kids, so you can search for a product that involves kids. Okay, so we have enough information about this event, and we know it's going to be from the 21st of January to the 5th of February. So what you want to do is go to Google and search for lunar rabbit product. Yeah, as easy as that. Alright, bro. Go to images. These are coins. Let's look for something more specific. Let's see necklace. Okay, now we have some products. But we always look for something from AliExpress since we are talking about dropshipping. So check this out. This actually looks like a cute rabbit necklace. $24. No, it's too expensive. So expensive. 24. Anyway, here's one I found earlier on AliExpress. This one sells for $2 and ships for $1.64. So this is an example of a product that has good margins. This looks like a little girl's necklace, and so a parent can see this and want to buy it for their daughter, and it can be used as a gift, and it goes well with the festival since it's a rabbit festival, and it just looks cute. So this is a good product to put on your store. You can probably list this for $13.99 or $12.99 or even $9.99 and still be profitable. And this is something that is somebody can buy multiple. Somebody can just buy 10 of, because they want to give it to all the girls around, all their kids, their neighbors' kids, their friends' kids. So it's just a good impulse buy that can also be used as a gift, and it also has a good margin. So this is one example of how we find products. So when listing this to your store, you can just put all the event branding, and then when you are launching your ads, you target the ads at Australia. Either you're using targeted ads or you're using SEO. Anyhow you're promoting your store, you can target it to Australia. And if you want to vet this product and see if the product is a good one, or you can go to Google. You can see here I already typed in Lunar Festival, and the interest for the festival is very high. People are really interested in it. You can tell by the spike in interest here. So a lot of this is in Australia. It's actually popular in Australia. So this is using Google Trends. So this is one of the ways you can find a product to put on your store, whether your Shopify store or Amazon, eBay, wherever. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.